Hi, my name is Michelle Savage, and I'd like to welcome you to our Information Architecture course with Elevator. I have more than 20 years of experience in the content industry, and I'm currently leading the UX content design teams at PayPal. As a professional, I know that in today's digital age, navigating through vast and complex information can be overwhelming. That's where information architecture comes into play. IA is all about creating structures that make sense, making information accessible and understandable. So whether you're a UI, UX, or graphic designer, a search analyst, a content strategist, or even a technical writer, mastering IA is crucial for your career. In this course, we'll dive deep into the world of IA. We'll start with the fundamentals, but then we'll quickly go into content analysis and user research skills. We'll practice designing and prototyping and go deep on content accessibility. You'll also discover why integrating AI into your information architecture strategy is beneficial for driving innovation, improving user engagement, and staying competitive in the ever-changing digital world we live in. The best part? You'll have lots of opportunities to apply your knowledge. This course is packed with case studies, class discussions, and workshops, along with practical assignments. I'll also be holding weekly office hours where you can come and I'll answer any questions that you might have after the class. By the end of this course, you'll be able to demonstrate everything that you've learned throughout this course during your course project, which will be your digital product presentation. This is a great addition to any portfolio. When we part ways, you'll not only understand the principles of information architecture, but you'll be able to use your skills to create intuitive, user-friendly, and accessible digital experiences. So get ready to turn complexity into clarity and become a master of content and digital information. Join us, and together let's kickstart our mission to build better digital and customer experiences right away. See you in class.